So we're broadcasting live now just to kind of record the whole meeting. That's what he wants. And then we'll take the quiz together after we just kind of go over if anybody had any issues with the homework, which.
No, I think it was pretty simple,
Yeah, it was easy.
Yeah, it wasn't too bad. Okay. And just so that you're aware, I'm sorry, I didn't catch your name. I didn't catch your first name. So you have
Walker.
Walker, sorry.
Yeah, sorry.
No, I just didn't catch your name right off.
Yeah.
Class is online. I have a few different groups, so I'm getting every group kind of confused.
I hear you.
So,
I got you.
yeah. Anyway, so it's just going over at least the homework for tonight goes over like the difference between science experiments and observational studies, different types of random sample, like how to come up with random samples. So if everybody's good and you're okay with it, we'll just move on to the next thing.
Yeah, sure.
Good? Okay. All right.
So everyone open up their quizzes, right?
Yeah, everybody open up their quizzes.
The first couple questions are the basic, generic.
Yeah.
Do you ever read everyone there? I can read it.
You broke up, man. I didn't hear what you said.
First question, maybe we can rotate like that. Researchers would like to determine if reviewing material consistently within an helps students perform better on exams. If students wait to review material for the exam. To answer this question, the researchers are trying to determine if an observational study or an experiment would be appropriate. They are discussing who the population and how they will determine of statistics are the researchers currently applying. Design the study, collecting data, describe data, making inferences, or take. Making inferences that's what I have. What I would put down. Was everything?
Let me make sure I'm in the right spot. Are you guys on the? Is this the homework quiz?
No,
it's the group.
There's a group meeting quiz. It's
group
specifically
meeting quiz. Yeah. Okay, I did. I passed right by it. Sorry about that. Yeah.
It's easy to do.
All right, hang tight. Sorry about that. All right.
Is it Diogenes? Is that how you say your name?
Diogenes.
Okay, sorry. Did you say that you thought the answer was? Sorry, I missed that. It cut out.
I thought it was either making inferences or designing the study, but I think it's designing the study. Inferences or designing the study, I thought.
Okay.
Yeah, they're designing the study. That's my answer.
That's what I thought.
They haven't done anything. They just have a question, and so they're talking about
how to resolve.
Yeah. Makes sense? Well, good there?
It does make sense.
Yeah. Want to take the next one?
Yeah, I'll take it. A researcher has collected the results of a survey when the participants were asked how many hours of TV they watched each day. The researchers tallies the frequencies for each category and computes means number of hours watched. She then creates a histogram to illustrate the overall distribution. Which of the 5 steps of this statistical process did the researcher apply? So I would say the Describe the data. Is it describe the data or yeah? Describe the data.
Yeah, let's describe the data.
Yeah. Making inferences of the conclusion. Okay. I was going to get those two.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, just for a second. Okay.
Yeah, I can read the next one. It says Mumbai or whatever, India, is quickly growing city of importance in its own country as well as in global economy. A marketing research firm has been asked by a prominent fast food restaurant to help determine if the citizens of Mumbai would support this fast food bill. Registered taxpayers, 3,000 names are randomly selected. Each individual on the list is mailed a brief questionnaire. The researchers received 1,049 responses. The population is of Mumbai is what I would put.
Yep. All right.
Makes sense.
Right? You guys all broke out.
Yeah.
Okay, we got.
You want me to read 6?
Yeah.
Yeah, go
thanks,
ahead.
Walker.
Okay, let's see. Mumbai, India is a quickly growing city of importance in its own country. Hold on. Is that the same one?
It's the same like setup, just a different question at the end. It looks like.
Okay, make sure I wasn't reading the same one. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, marketing research firm has been asked to. What? Computer not wanting to scroll. Yeah, okay, sorry. Same thing. A marketing research firm has been asked by a prominent fast food restaurant to help determine if the citizens of Mumbai would support this fast food business. From a list of all registered taxpayers, 3,000 names are randomly selected. Each individual on the list is mailed a brief questionnaire. The researchers receive 1,049 responses. The sample is 1,049 people who respond. Citizens of Mumbai.
Yeah.
Cannot be determined.
Yeah. The people who respond.
Yeah. Maybe simple enough, yeah.
I don't know if it's just me and my internet, but you guys are breaking up.
Everybody seems to be breaking up a little bit here and there. It seems like, anyway.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Yeah. Same for me.
We can read the next question, or it might be easier to communicate.
Yeah, that works. All right. You guys finished with the question?
Yes, we've read it.
Yeah.
Oh,
Right. So I got category
I would
for the answer.
Yeah,
go ahead.
Anybody have something different?
No.
Okay. Sounds good. Next one.
Question 8. Is everyone done?
Yes.
I think it's the opposite of the last question.
Quantitative.
I actually think it might be categorical again.
Well, this is my.
I'm not sure.
I'm not sure either, because categorical is data that you can calculate more or less. It's numbers and figures. So the last question, you can get a score of 0 to 10, which
You're
can
right,
be
This one's
I'm not sure.
quantitative. It can, but then again, if you're doing yes or no questions, that's still, you can still measure that if you're right or wrong or just don't remember. So
But at the
I'm a
same
little
time, it's
confused
not a number.
because the study's based off memory, but they're going off percentages, right? That's what he's trying to find out, is how much do you remember based off
Yeah.
a percentage. Something that we would, that's something that can easily be calculated. That would make it quantitative. Or the answers given aren't necessarily numbers, so that's where I'm a little hesitant.
I can see how that
To
can be
make us.
confused.
So let me look at my notes.
Yeah, that's what I'm looking at right now, trying to figure it out.
It says, in the definition I have, quantitative variables provide numerical information. They represent things that are numeric in nature, things that are measured. So this is something that's easily measured and tracked.
What's your definition for categorical?
It's they're labels, and it does not make sense to do arithmetic with them. I'm going to say both of them are in fact quantitative, because they can be measured. They're not numerical, but they can be measured. But anybody disagree with that?
I'm just rereading it 1 second. Yeah, because they're both measured by scores, so I think you might be right.
My only thing is that the second question is
It's measured by the response.
Yeah, it's just a one-time. It's not necessarily an exact measurement where like it's yes or no, but it's less measured.
So
I'm going to say categorical with 8, like, and quantitative with 7. An answer?
yeah, that's what I feel like that's a better what we should go with.
Quantitative and then
That
categorical.
it makes sense from what you're explaining right there. Again, I don't have the knowledge base quite yet, but from what you're saying, that does make sense.
Okay.
Yeah.
I always do my best to try to make sense. So I guess we'll go with that. Diogenes, did you feel? Can you hear us? You there?
His mic's off, it looks like.
All right.
Oh yeah, it does look like it's off.
Might be having problems. Okay.
That's what you guys haven't been able to hear me this whole time. I'm like, what's going on?
Did you hear what we were saying?
So what I
Diogenes?
was question, it doesn't matter. I think we got instead. I was like, well, what are these guys doing? Not listening. Question 7, I thought was quantitative because this is so silly. That's why you guys couldn't hear anything. Measures your score out of 10.
Yeah, exactly.
In categorical, it can divide. It just divides you into groups, pretty much.
Yeah.
The categories, because yeah, we came to the same conclusion as like.
Works. Hey, great. We're on the same page. Perfect.
That's good.
Okay, now let's move on to question 9.
Okay.
So if you guys are done.
Yeah. I got control group.
Yeah, that's what I was just gonna
Yeah.
say. Control is what the answer is.
Yeah, let's pass. Next one.
All right.
And the next one is the one with the placebo.
Yep.
Yeah.
Got that.
Okay.
I got the third answer.
Many
Third.
workers.
Yeah, third, pretty simple on that one.
Randomly selected workers in each several working districts. Is that what you guys got too?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I got the children for 12.
Yep. Yeah. And then 13 is the vaccine and placebo.
Yep.
Experiment or observation?
I say experiment.
Mm-hmm.
All right, and this one's easy.
Yes. First one, I guess step one, Daniel, is design the study. 3.
Next one is step 2 is number 1.
Step 3, discern. Because they put them out of order.
Yeah.
So
Yeah,
it's
yeah.
it's number 4. Step 5 is take action. 2. 3 can't. 1. Okay, so it's 3, 4, 2, 1, 5. That's what I got. Do I get something different?
What did you say you gotta get?
I got 4, 3, 2, 1, 5. Because my steps are out of order. I have step 1, then step 3, step 5, step 2, then step 4.
Yeah, mine's different than that, so that's why I was confused.
Okay, I was wondering if they switched it up on us so we can. Yeah. So
Yeah.
step 1. Yeah. So step 1 is design the study, and then step 3 is describe the data. So that's the only thing that might trip you up. All right. Is everybody good then? Or does anybody else need any more help?
Step four is take action, right?
Step 4 is
Step 4 is make inference.
yeah. Take action's 5. That's the last
and then
one.
Step 5 is take action. Okay, sounds good.
Okay.
All right. Anybody have any other questions?
Okay.
I don't think so.
That's it.
Yeah, I did.
Good job, guys.
Great. All right.
Awesome.
All right. Well, it's nice working with you guys.
And
And
So,
then for next week,
hey, thanks.
The link.
yeah, I can set the link again. Is that a problem for anybody else? Want to do it? I want to.
No, perfect.
Okay. Yeah. So I'll set it, and I'll email it to you, Graham. I'll email you it on your school account, like you asked. Sorry, I saw your text message once and sat down. So
No, you're fine.
I'll just re-email you that link. School account. Anybody want to change the email account that I'm sending it to? Just shoot me an email or text. All right.
Okay. Appreciate it.
All right. I'll see you on Thursday at 8 o'clock. Still work for everybody.
Yeah, that works great.
All right. See you guys then.
All right,
Thanks
see you
a bunch.
guys.
Appreciate it.
Yeah.